Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're gonna show you how you can fill up Singapore arrival card. So uh, before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Singapore uh, ICA website. Here they have the section for arrival card and electronic pass inquiry holder. So I'm gonna go for this. Now three options: if you are a citizen, permanent resident, pass holder, foreign visitor. So for the purpose of this video, I select this. Date of arrival, this you can do up to 3 days in advance. So I select this one. You can personal information, you can retrieve with visa reference number if it is issued with you already, and you can also retrieve with passport. So in our case, I'm just typing, okay, full name, just sample guys, date of expiry, gender, date of birth. Do it as per your own case. This is just sample. Citizenship, place of birth, place of residence, okay. Basically it shows this state also and others also, okay, mainly capital and some major cities and others. So whatever is true in your case, you select region code. Mobile number, I'm just putting sample. Have you ever used under different name to enter? I select no. Health certificate providing from you currently fever, cough, shortness, headache, vomiting, rash. I select no. Have you visited any of the listed countries, Africa, Latin America in past 6 days? You can check that, but I assume you haven't gone, so it's like this. If you have more than one traveler traveling, like let's say your spouse, your friend, your kids, that you can put enter here. Like no. Okay, I think I have missed something. Oh, email address. Provide proper email address. Don't do like this because this is where the communication will take place. Of course, I'm not going to fill it up. That's why I'm just doing like this. Okay, now it has gone to trip information. Purpose of last city, port of embarkation. I'll select purpose of travel, the holiday, mode of travel. I select commercial flight. Wow. Type of accommodation. I select hotel. Wow. They have so much of streamlined. Date of departure. Let's say departing. Next city, port of the after Singapore. So let's say you're coming back to Delhi. Or you can this option same as last city. This is the review. Check everything. If you want to make any changes, you make. Otherwise, next is the confirmation and submission. So of course I'm not going to do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.